The other car is out of the way and ran. They're out of the area. Suspect has not exited the vehicle yet.
Welcome, CopCam enthusiasts, to a gripping journey into the heart of a high-stakes showdown. Today, we present to you an intense and heart-pounding real-life drama that's going to keep you on the edge of your seat. So, buckle up, because this one is a roller coaster ride you won't want to miss.
All right, he's going into central maintenance.
Somebody set up behind us and set up spikes just in case.
He's coming up at the gate at central maintenance. Going
Traffic.
into the parking lot just to the left where the trash trucks are. If we got somebody at the back with spikes, he's going to be coming back out if he can't get out.
Traffic.
There's no way out from what I can see.
All right, no way out. He's in that we can see. He's in
Let's
the
go through that
lot
gate.
with all the trash trucks. He's coming up to the gate on the back side.
He's going through it.
Yep, just drove through the gate, coming out the gate on the back side.
Road.
Southbound on Grady now.
Coming up to
That's going to
enter.
be coming up to Laurel now in just a second.
Hey, SO to PD, just above you at almost 1500. Tampa Tower.
Jeff, I'll stay at or below 1,000. We're busy right now, got pursuit going, but I'll stay below 1,000.
Tampa Tower, runway 19 our left, clear to land, wind 1107.
Target instead of
Land,
looking
19
out
left,
towards Dale Mabry. If he comes out that way, I don't know.
I'll just stay above you.
Copy.
Our story begins in the vibrant streets of Tampa, Florida, where a manhunt of epic proportions unfolds. A desperate man, 33-year-old Michael A. Bresnahan, is on the run, wanted for a heinous crime, a brutal stabbing of the mother of his young children right before their eyes, leaving her bleeding in the 2800 block of 35th Street. Bresnahan, fueled by desperation, grabs his terrified children and seeks refuge at his brother's house. But he doesn't stop there. He commits another audacious act, snatching an AK-47 rifle from his own flesh and blood. Armed and dangerous, he takes to the streets, setting in motion a heart-stopping chain of events that will have you holding your breath.
Came in 201, Tampa Tower, runway 19 right, line up and wait.
In front of him.
9 right, line up
He's
and
going to
wait.
go around that
201.
and cut through traffic. Dale Mabry and Kennedy, he's going to go eastbound now. Eastbound Kennedy from Dale Mabry.
Try to get sector F.
The next one's going to be Himes.
Yep.
See if F can set up on the bridge. Also, let's see if we can get units on Armenian Howard.
Yeah, he's not driving fast. Armenian Howard probably be good. He just passed Himes. He's in the left lane. He's still
American 1470, contact departure, have a good day.
1470.
He's going northbound Glen from Kennedy. Northbound Glen from Kennedy.
Came in 201, wind 1207, runway 19 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, 19 right,
Side
came in
streets,
201.
there's very little traffic back here. Roads are fairly dry and probably doing 30.
It's 5:40 p.m., and the police spot Bresnahan near Dale Mabry Highway and Spruce Street. What follows is a high-speed pursuit that feels like it's right out of a Hollywood blockbuster. Officers attempt to stop him with spike strips, but Bresnahan maneuvers around them with the skill of a seasoned fugitive.
Snipers trying to drive around the spikes. Eastbound Cypress coming up to Lincoln now. Still continuing eastbound.
Next major's going to be McDill.
Coming up to McDill shortly if we have anybody over near McDill.
Came in 201, contact departure.
What do you advise?
Came in 201, contact departure.
Through McDill, still eastbound.
Team 201, you have a good day. Contact departures here.
Anybody down towards Howard Armenia area for spikes?
Southwest 90, 17, 19 right, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff
19 right, Southwest 9017.
Really dry.
Tower fucking 910, sir. Charlie's with you on the 19 left. Fucking 910, sir. Charlie, Tower 19 left. Clear to land, wind 1605. Clear to land 19 left for 910, sir. Charlie. Hotels 399, turn left at Sierra, contact ground 7.
Traffic.
We need Delta 3.
Delta 3, ground 7.
0.7, thank you.
Coming up to Armenia. Next one's going to be Howard if we have anybody in the area with spikes.
As the pursuit races through the city streets, the adrenaline is electric.
That is cutting across Tampa.
It'll be heading 180 up to 6,000 and we'll contact 119.65 clear flight 2374, holding short 19 right.
Sir, frequency is 119.65, hold short.
Signal 4, Florida and Gladys, Florida and Gladys.
You can feel the tension building, knowing that any moment could bring a dramatic twist. And then, as if ripped from the pages of a suspense thriller, the chase reaches its zenith when Bresnahan's SUV collides with a blue car near the intersection of Gladys Street. The world seems to hold its breath as the scene unfolds. In a gut-wrenching turn of events, Bresnahan opens fire from his SUV, turning the streets into a battleground. 18 officers, faced with an unprecedented threat, respond with unwavering courage. You can practically hear the bullets whizzing by. The tension is palpable as the drama unfolds on the screen. It's a life-and-death standoff, and our heroes are caught in the crossfire.
And ran. They're out of the area. Suspect has not exited the vehicle yet. Shots fired, shots fired. We've got multiple shots fired.
Traffic.
Watch closely as police body cam footage captures the harrowing moments when officers pull innocent bystanders like Sabrina Turner to safety amid the chaos of gunfire. Sabrina, a mother of 6, reflects on the harrowing experience as she credits the Tampa officers with saving her life. Her story is a powerful reminder of the bravery and selflessness displayed by our law enforcement heroes. As this heart-pounding saga draws to a close, remember that the actions of these officers will not go unnoticed. They've been placed on administrative duty while the Florida Department of Law Enforcement conducts a meticulous investigation. But for now, we salute these officers as true heroes, and we invite you, our dedicated CopCam community, to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, ensuring you never miss another electrifying episode filled with gripping police body cam footage like this. Share your thoughts in the comments below about this video or suggest what you'd like to see next on CopCam. Until our next adrenaline-packed adventure, stay safe, stay vigilant, and stay tuned for more real-life drama.